Hey everyone, want to start making money online with your skills? In this video, I will show you how to start selling on Fiverr step by step. No experience needed. Let's get started. Go to fiverr.com and click join. Sign up with your Google, Facebook, Apple ID or email. Once you are in, click click on I am a freelancer, then next solo freelancer, then online, then finish and start exploring. After that, once you are in, click on your profile icon from the right sidebar, then click become a seller, then choose your skill from here like a video editor, then start selling, then continue, again continue, enter your full name, then first name, last name, type your display name, profile picture. Be honest and professional. Your profile is your first impression. Now let's set up your first gig. After choose your picture from your dashboard or computer, then write the description, then set language like English, fluent, then add, then continue. Set your occupation like video animation, then music video, film video production, then add a skill like video editing, beginner, then add, then education section, then certification, then continue, or choose from here like 5 of your strongest skills. Animated, vertical video ads, then continue. Then year like 7 to 25, then continue, then account security, then continue, and then edit profile, once you are in, click create a new gig, in the title section write a title like I will design a modern logo in 24 hours, then select category, choose the category and a subcategory like graphic design, then logo, then pricing. In the pricing section, choose basic, then standard, then premium. Write a clear description, detailed, add common questions you get about your service, requirements list what you need from buyers before you start, like logos, text, preferences, etc. Upload images, videos, or PDFs that show your work. This builds trust. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and let me know in the comments if you want a video on gig SEO or Fiverr pro tips. Thanks for watching.